Hey mga ka-VA! Welcome na naman sa ating channel, Virtual Assistant Life, a Filipino Virtual Assistant Life. And this is day 16 of our segment, A Filipino VA's House. Thank you so much for all the support, and as
Today is
usual,
day
I'll go
16.
to the original
We
audio now.
cannot do it with our hands, so we need a whiteboard. And that's my for school. That's mine.
Nice haircut.
Until like they like
Oh, look. Cute, ah.
yeah. We're gonna use the whiteboard until day 20. Then
No, let's use the whiteboard every day na.
fine.
Because so that you will just hold something.
20 is like this, and 20
Yeah.
is like
No, let's
that.
just use this.
Yeah. What did 10?
Yes,
make
kuya.
Like this?
10 is 2 5s.
No, I did not do that.
Yeah, you did. I'll show you the...
2, 10, 2, 5.
Yeah, 2 5.
That's 7.
Ano, may sinabi pa?
That's 7.
May sinabi pa? Wala naman ah.
Oh look, they're done now. That's it.
Oh yeah.
But they still have those. What are they trying to do with those?
Oh, they're gonna fix the upper part. I hope we have the same thing like that.
Tata, you should have like uploaded day 1 after we filmed day 1.
I did.
No, like after we no, I mean like on the same day we filmed day 1.
Ah, yeah.
You should have like done that for
It's hard
like,
kasi. Oh, Titus. Hmm. No.
Oh wait, they cut out the door.
Yeah, oh, it's not the same.
Oh, they did something here. Ah, no, that's why they built it here.
Yeah.
When did you start to know that?
I was here earlier today.
Ah, there's the door. That's right. There's the door. Hello, door.
Oh, picture by the door. Day 16. Oh.
Go up.
Wait. Sige, go up na. Careful, ah.
They painted it now.
Ah, really?
Yeah. Come.
Oh, wait.
They painted the back.
Ah, really?
Yeah. Come on.
Careful. Not yet paint, just finish.
It's kind of painted.
It's not yet painted.
I'm gonna.
Oops, basa pa yan, ha? Don't touch it. Dumikit ka ba? Adik ka.
Doggy. Doggy. Doggy just chilling.
Where? You can see him?
You can see his body, but not his whole body. There. You can see him. I can see him from here.
Oh, we need to pay the electricity pala. Almost forgot. There. You hold 16 here because it's a good backdrop. Don't touch the wala.
Yeah.
Lower the yeah. Stomach in. There, again. Stomach in. Ah, it's nice now. Nice finish.
Got finished
Ha? Ah, yeah. Ha? Sige bro, sige bro. Yoshi, may Yoshi ba? Say sir.
Finish. Finish there. Finish here.
Yeah, nice. Here, again.
Oh, it's also.
Yeah. Oh, don't touch the, no. Titus.
Why would you make that noise in the camera?
Yeah, I know. Be careful kasi.
Why would you make that noise in the
Don't touch the hole.
Why would you make that noise in the camera?
Ate kasi rin. Baka masira yung pagkasmut eh. Oo, yung galawin na. That will be the size also of my room downstairs. Oh, may bakal na ka. There, oh, like...
Why is the map there white?
16.
Why is the map there white?
Hindi counted yung ano, yung hindi nagtrabaho.
Why is the lamp there white?
Lahat, kalain yun.
Why is the lamp there like black?
Yeah, they put a tint. So it's not, the sun will not enter. Bilis, no?
They're gonna put an outlet there.
Yeah, there. That's the outlet na, yeah. What? Let's go. Thank you, pa. Careful. Day 16. What?
I didn't even see that. I didn't even see that.
Which one?
The painter, not painter.
Yeah, they just smoothen the cement.
I actually didn't do that outside.
They will also do it outside. Because Titus, look at the walls here. It will be the same. It will be smooth. Yeah,
And
painted. So
that
it's not
is it
painted.
again for the live
It's just the dark cement.
video part. And then photos, summary photos again of what happened. So, unti-unti na talaga siyang nagagawa, and ito yung lababo sa likod. So, inuusog lang namin siya. And then, we created the bar table. Tapos, i-connect namin siya dyan. It's gonna be an L shape, a U shape actually, including the old sink. And then, ayan na yung mga kwarto, konting finishing na. Medyo dami nang nangyayari. Day 16, binutas na lahat yan sa likod. Konting finish again sa likod. And then, so I think we're almost halfway there, and marami-rami nang nangyayari. And I just want to take this opportunity na parang to reflect back again as I go through the days na nagka-problem kasi with the workers. So it's a usual problem naman, 'di ba? So parang may yung contractor namin, yung isang worker, medyo nagka-problema sila, and they actually needed to stop for a week after elections. So medyo talaga nag-struggle kami because of that. And pero eto, konting tiis-tiis lang. So day 8 binutas, day 9. So yung structure talaga is yan, pinapakita lang. Day 10 butas again, and then 11, just a few changes sa harap, pero maraming maraming changes na hindi nakikita as we go along, lalo na sa likod, of course, kasi nga yung photo is nasa harap lang. And maraming nangyayaring changes sa bubong, sa likod, sa kisame, kasi syempre kailangan nila ayusin lahat yun. And this is how it looks now for day 16. So malapit na siyang masara doon. And that's it for day 16. Thank you again for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Filipino Virtual Assistant Life. I do have other contents already. So please expect that as we go along. Thank you guys. Bye bye.